Hi guys! So today is January 24 and it's Saturday and I don't know what time is it now. But now we are preparing para moadto sa HD Productions because tomorrow I will be judging Miss Tansel Rihon. Mag-get ready na ko karon. I'm gonna show you the process of getting ready. So, ang weather bito karon kay medyo gloomy siya. I'm gonna show you. I don't know if you could see it. Pero the weather is not so good. Guys, at the moment, gatanaw mi sa vlog ni Julia Barats. Pareto. Juju on the go sa Sikugon. Mana army dara kuan siguro after na kong judge tomorrow pagka Monday magtumig Sikugon.
Okay, siya na pagulap niya. Di ba ilo-ilo?
Muna ko ilis guys. And nag-change ko accessories. Actually, ako nagikulot akong buhok gabi using Heatless Curls. But then, ayaw niya eh. I mean, mag-workshop or talir na siya mawala. So, you already know nga ako ang everyday makeup is not complicated. Naku, pulbos. Blush. And for my eyebrow. Guys, kabala mo, hapit na ni siya mo ano. Hapit na ni siya. I mean, expire na ata nila. Wala na siya sulod. Pero go lang ng go. Guys, lips na ko. So, Evie. And lip gloss. Kailan ito ang gamit ng lip gloss? Kanira. Decade ago pa ni. Magic lip gloss. Ano niya ako outfit? Black sandals. So, I won't be bringing my camera with me. So, sa phone ako mag-video. I'll see you there.
Wala kay L.
Going with Miss POV, guys. So, the reason I don't bring much on camera, okay? Iyang gig ato is 2 gig lang. And wala pa niya ba't akong i-order nga 28 gig. And kung to siya hit or miss to siya nga order. Guys, do ako balon si compatible ato. Pero na si Google. Compatible or siya SanDisk. Let's see. Uli mo ganay labay na. Period. We're here at HD, guys. Good afternoon po, ma'am. Ito na sa Miss Tanselian po na judges.
Sa kayo sa kanto.
Thank you. Show you. Nandun yung tanan nila gowns. Hi, sir. Good afternoon. There's your ano, sir.
Ay, pala.
Tanselian.
Sige, sa kayo.
Thank you. Ano ko?
Pwede.
Tama na. Ayun.
Okay, gusto mo luwa.
Bravo.
Sana na siya sa bakunan niya.
Yeah, and the broken. Maraming fit, guys. we're done fitting. I chose the black gown because I feel more mature. Mas naik ko na 30 na kaya pa tayo ma-judge. You know what? Kabayong budlat. So, diba namili mix kanina and we chose two options. One was black and one was blue. Nga kato na yung blue ba yun? Kaya muna ito kong gigamit sa Mambuaya. Nag-judge ko. December 2024. Dari. Muna siya. Nga. Pag-fit na ko mo din eh. Grabe. Marigid nga nag-black ko. Marigid wala na ako nakita Visions blue. Wala akong i-waste guys. Now I'm just gonna prep myself para mag-makeup. Akong ginanya ko ang hair. Para hindi mo ba ng foundation lang ako ang hair. So nagsuot kong tube actually guys. Hanggang lang ako nag-cover up kay di ko ganang kita ko likod sa hangin. So you need to wear tubes or any nga kanang ma-open-open or bitaw nga sanina para if mag-hairstyle nakadili matandog ang imong hairstyle. Understand? Sugod ako makeup. So ako na siyang na-set up. Bag ni mama and then ako ang bag abas. So while doing my makeup, I will listen to BTS music. Why? Because why not? So I need to be finished by 3:30 something. Okay, mabiyahin namin pagka 4. It's supposed to be, dapat da mo i-wear na amo ang gown pag abot na mo dito. Mo ingon sa director ni Miss Alex, but then wala gito sila na nagdala sa sa gown, so I need to be early there para pod makasettle down na bito ko dili ko magkara-kara. So it's a win-win situation. The rest of my makeup because I can't concentrate. If gato ko, then gano'n sa eyeshadow. So, I'll be back. Guys, manakog! Makeup and then ilis. So, wala ko video sa ilis, kinagdali na ko. Ina naman akong upapara na. I promise you, and in personal, it's nice. Ma!
Ascorbic acid plus zinc is the generic name of psyllium plus.
Saligan para sa body pain plus na naay pakapin na labad sa ulo o hilanat, Alaxan FR. Alaxan FR.
Barangay Mambuaya, guys.
Ibuprofen paracetamol is the generic name of Alaxan FR. Its symptoms persist until you're not.
Para sa masama, gamita, sabon na may tatak.
He dancerihan, guys. So, mag-eat sa meal. Doon na may free. Na free food para judges. But then, hindi ko ganahan nga magod. What if gutom kay Konyak? Bigay akong kaon na dito at bang selang kuhan dari kapisan. Makawala sa poise. Uy, baday. Nahulog naman ito. Manin yung judge. May karapatan man-judge. Guys, mag-retouch na lang ko. Okay.
Sa cover ani mong kuan.
Tok naok seriously. Guys, wala na ako nag-bring ako ng highlighter. Highlighter? Lip liner? Sa lipstick na lang. Medyo gadagan na. Ay na.
Ay mailok ni mo na pati. Ubusin na gamay.
Pinapamukha mo talaga na ito.
So ana ka dito.
Ay, medyo.
May mabay na ko.
Asa man? Saan ko? Pakita ako gwapa.
Hindi ka nag-iisa.
Not, words are not from me. Mayordoma. Natanong yung sa Nina.
Ay, unsa ko sa nina di ay?
Kaysa?
Pulbos-pulbos?
No guys, dilira ako. Dilira. Masya ate man sa ko. Pati ako.
Kaluoy ko.
Mut lang. Guys, nakainis na ko. Ito na minute sa court.
First runner-up, Miss Volkswagen 2022 Reason, and Miss CEO 2023 finalist, and Miss Photogenic. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Pia Shara Masakai. Good evening, Philippines! Hello, Empire Philippines! That's the Leon! Ladies and gentlemen, our candidates wearing the collection of Mr. Don Leon. Thank you very much. Grabe, Don Leon! Indeed, that was heat on stage. This is Miss Photogenic. First up, we have Kapitan Ujiroa Choice Award. Kapitan Ujiroa Choice Award is to be awarded by Kapitan. And of course, for the information of everybody, the accumulation of Unit number 15, Unit number 1, Unit number 2, Unit number 9, Unit number 11. In an age where social media and artificial intelligence influence opinions and spread information rapidly, how can young leaders like you use these tools responsibly to promote truth, unity, and positive change in Pennsylvania?
I would leave a word that if you want to be a leader who use social media for the greater good, for educating others, be an inspirer to inspire before you expire. Thank you so much.
Hope, and love for our community. This title is not about being perfect. It is about service, humility, and using this platform to inspire others.
Miss Tanzania 2026 is cadet number 9! And our business Miss Tanzania 2026 first runner-up is cadet number 15!
Hi guys. Hala abas ka. Mana ang Miss Dansuli Honor. Time check.